Recording video and the intro.
Check.
Still gonna say
I like it. Are we flipping bullish? Are we flipping bullish
We
right
turned
now?
bullish today.
Let's go. The charts. They flipped. We're done with the bear.
Guys, it's green.
When's the last time you woke up 3-4 days in a row to just green?
I couldn't believe it when I did see
It's
it.
been since before Luna.
It's like I'm in disbelief, and I'm not a bear. I'm not a bull either, I guess, but I'm in disbelief at this.
It's just weird to see.
Yeah, we're not ready for it.
Right, we see because for the past year or so, let's get into the charts. First, I'm going to highlight the global cryptocurrency market cap tapped over a trillion today.
1 trillion.
8%.
Are you kidding me?
8%.
8% of a trillion is 80 billion.
80 billion. So 80 billion
Just moved its way in.
83 billion has pumped into crypto in the past 24 hours.
Dang.
Where are they coming from?
Who's trying to buy our coins?
Are these the people buying back in that sold the bottom?
No, because they're buying back in at the top.
They're buying
This
back
is
in.
not the top. These are whales.
So we got Bitcoin blew through 20K.
Oh, this guy was the one everyone had their eyes on.
So I mean, let's go 7-day here. We saw it kind of crack into 17, 18. We started getting excited. I thought maybe it'd have a lot of resistance at 20.
Nope.
It said, "Don't worry, gig. Don't worry about that."
It was
blew through 20.
It was doing one of those things where usually I text Sig, I go, "What the hell's Bitcoin doing?"
Yeah, he goes, "What WTF is? What's Bitcoin doing today, dude? This is like weird."
And usually at that point, it either goes up really good or plummets.
Or it plummets.
Yeah.
7 days, 20% on 23 on Bitcoin, 22 on ETH. BNB's up 17, XRP up 17.
Everything is just
Almost 30 on Cardano, 20 something on Doge.
to like wash my eyes out and view this again. Make sure I'm seeing the truth.
Sol.
Oh, Sol.
54 on the 7-day.
Pull up the Sol chart. I think you have the tab open. Yeah, fucking pull that up.
$22.
We're back, boys.
Guys, this was $8. So if you bought single digit Sol, you're over 2x already.
I can't believe that someone was saying I'm waiting for 5 at $8. You know what? Even if it did hit 5, God bless you if it hit 5.
Yeah.
But $8 above 5 is not much when it goes to 22. I'm sorry.
When there's a coin that hit $259 and it's at 8, and you're sitting there going, I'm gonna wait for $6.
You're not buying that coin ever. Not that it's ever gonna go, because it might go to 6. You're not gonna say if it goes to 6.
You're gonna go, oh, I'm waiting for 5.
Yup, and you're gonna go, I'm waiting for 3.
I'm
waiting for 2.
There's people that keep doing. There's people I've seen that wanted $20 Sol and it hit 20. It hit 18, and they're like, I'm waiting for single digit Sol. It hits 9. They go, I think we're gonna see $5 here, guys. How low is it gonna go?
You gotta stick to a plan. You have to have something in your head. Either DCA, no matter what the price, or if you do have a price in your head and you really think the bottom is like 5, just buy a 10. Who gives a flying F?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you believe the coin is actually going to be worth much, much more than $5. So in this case, if you think Sol is going to hit its all-time high again of like $200, buying it at $8, $10. When you're expecting 5 is not a loss. That's a huge win.
Uh-huh. I would totally agree. My strategy is to generally just DCA. If it does drop, like a huge drop, then I'll throw more in. But generally, I'm just DCAing in.
And that's like, just have a plan. Have a plan of attack if you're investing in it for the long term.
Yeah, that's something we learned over the past couple of years in crypto is like, we got to have some sort of plan, especially on the bull run.
Oh yeah,
because
that's when crazy stuff happens.
When are we gonna sell? If we don't have a plan, when are you gonna sell? You're gonna sell some random big lump sum or are you going to slowly sell? Just have some sort of plan in mind. You know, if you're waiting for $100 Solana, maybe you start selling some at 80, right?
Yeah.
Because a lot of people have that. There's those mental numbers. There's those mental barriers. $100, and that's going to be priced in already. So just keep that in mind, or don't be a total degen.
Yeah. Do what you want to do. Degen in full. You know.
We have, but overall everything, pump in the market. Maybe we pull back, but I think if we hold over 20. I think if we hold over 20 for a few more days, like we might have hit the bottom.
Yeah. I mean, and if it isn't the bottom, something crazy is going to happen to pull us back down. I mean, we had the FUD. You want to talk about the FUD we had?
Yeah. So here's what has happened. I'll pull up the Solana. I had the full chart up here. Here's a chart. I mean, guys, we're here. This was 14. This was $14. You're waiting for 5?
So that was November 17th. It's almost January 17th.
Yeah,
so it's almost 2 full months of this pain.
Yeah. And here's it at. It's at single digits before New Year's.
Oh, that hurts.
And now 2 weeks later, you're at. But we've been beaten down. We've been bullied.
All this FUD flying around.
Where was some of the FUD a few months ago? Magic Eden removed, the royalties.
That really caused the NFTs to plummet that week.
Yeah, they made the optional royalties, which caused a lot of FUD and hurt some of the prices of NFT projects. That was a little slap in the face. This was a nice punch in the face. FTX.
Oh my goodness!
Solana.
Everyone got hit in this one.
Mm-hmm. And Solana got hit real hard there. Everyone got hit. Bitcoin got hit real bad there too. DeGods and Utes leave to move to another chain.
I mean,
a lot of FUD there.
At some point, you just look at yourself and you go, "Is this the end?"
We go, okay. How much more can we take?
Yeah, like when am I gonna sell? I get, but then you think, well, I'm not. Why would I?
Yeah, well, if I'm here, I got the conviction. We're here to stay.
You gotta believe in the fundamentals. That's really what it is.
And we got some cool stuff. We have Google buys a bunch of Solana.
This is what has to get you through the FUD and through the bear market. If you really believe in Sol, focus on the fundamentals.
I mean, Google's investing, right? What Google Cloud? So what do we know, right? Solana can run tons of transactions very cheaply at a large scale. So, if Google does want to get on the crypto scene, right? Maybe Solana is one of their big choice here.
Yeah.
How much information and data does Google store and move around on a daily basis? Maybe they like Solana for that.
Yeah. Maybe there's a conglomerate of other things. Maybe they have like a collection, but Sol being a part of at least a collection for the cloud is really good either way. So
yeah, that's huge. I think they bought a bunch at like $10.
Oh, they scooped it.
Yeah,
up.
they didn't wait for $5.
No, they weren't. They said, "This is Sol, guys. I'm buying it at 10."
Helium ditches own blockchain in favor of Solana.
This is why you gotta. This is what will get you through these bear markets. This FUD is if you really believe in Sol, then focus on the fundamentals. If you don't, that's your business. You can sell. If you really believe it, then you gotta focus on these fundamentals. This is what's gonna get you through.
It's gonna get you through the bear market. There's two things I always bring up: the fundamentals and the pumpamentals.
That's right.
Okay, we've seen Solana has the pumpamentals. We've seen it.
We've seen 54% gain the last week, I think, with Sol.
But does it have the pumpamentals to make it through the bear market? It's starting to look like it does. And
oh yeah.
One thing, quickly that I really want to highlight is that Solana's up to number 12 in market cap.
It was number 8 before the FUD or something?
It was around 8-ish, maybe even 7 at one point.
Yeah.
And we dropped all the way down to 19. Now, if we were to keep falling, if we were to fall into like 25, 30 range, I don't think big capital, big investors are going to start. Where are they going to look first? Where's Google going to look first getting into crypto?
They're not scraping the bottom.
Yeah,
of the top
they're not
100.
scrolling down to 120 and going, oh, let's get in this random little blockchain here that has a $400 million market cap. No, they're looking at ETH. They're looking at Polygon. They're looking at the top 10 guys who have been here and have proven themselves. So if Solana can stay up at 12, even creep back into the top 10, then I think we can see the light at the end of the tunnel here in the bull market.
Oh yeah. I mean, heck, we're the number 2 in NFT sales still. Like.
Yep, exactly. That's a great point to pull up. This is on Crypto Slam. I like this one. It aggregates all the NFTs pretty well. It's got the top sales from every day and everything. But yeah, blockchain NFT sales by volume for the past day. You got 20 mil on ETH. You got 5 mil on Sol. And then everyone else is
it's just off a cliff. I mean less
what
than the mil.
What Panini? Immutable X. I mean, I'm sure these got some good projects, good communities, but when you see 20 mil, 5 mil, and then an X is 400K, these two are clearly standouts.
Yeah.
And Solana's always been up there. I wonder if I can change the time frame. Let's do 7-day.
7-day time frame here.
$160 mil, 40 mil,
and then
3 mil.
10% of Solana's.
I mean, so Ethereum obviously is the big dog, but then Solana's just a clear second for NFTs.
And this is a really good point, because if you believe in NFTs, if you think the communities are going to be much bigger, if that's something you actually believe in, then you would assume that these sales will go up to 380, maybe like $500 million.
Yeah.
Everyone who gets into NFTs typically likes that blockchain too, and they're going to hold the coin itself. So then Sol would then be more valuable, and that's just one sector of Sol. The other sectors being enterprise, like Google Cloud.
Yeah.
And the other sector being other coins that are used on top of like Helium. Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's all plays a part. Focus on the fundamentals. Don't let the distractions get in the way. I mean, it's very possible we do hit zero.
It's
unlikely
possible.
in my opinion, but it's anything's possible.
Anything can happen. Yeah. I mean, we came damn near close.
Yeah, I couldn't think of anything.
But yeah, just if you have the conviction, if you believe in Solana, which I do, I think it's here to stay. We're moving in the right direction. Number 12, we're coming up. Top 10, baby, and it's just up from there. Bullish. We're always bullish. Charts down, we're bullish. Charts up, we're bullish. Appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate a little subscription. Throw us a comment down there. Do you still believe in Solana? Do you think we have hit the bottom already? Are we back bullish?
Let us know. Bullish.
I think.
I mean, I can't fathom waiting for 5. 5?
They begged for single-digit Sol. They did, and some of them still didn't buy. Bullish.